Morning, gentlemen. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Arun Rai. I am 24 years old. I am from Ilam, Nepal. I am unmarried. I have 5 members in my family. My education is 12 past. My height 5.6 feet and weight is 68 kg. I am medically fit and fine. I have 3 years of experience as a warehouse worker in Nepal. I want to come to any Europe country as a warehouse worker to earn money and support my families. I am a hardworking and honest person. I can do any indoor outdoor work there. I will complete my contract of 2 years. Also, I will follow the company rules and police. Thank you.
YouTube कार्टुन बोक्नु न त यहाँ तपाईँ यार
Right there,